we get started today. Of course, hard hats and safety glasses are required by everybody out here. Cloyd's going to be in the crane, and we're going to have a signal person. We're going to have Brian be the signal person. You and Crane will be, or you and Cloyd will be doing hand signals. When we pull this rigging out, I want guys to inspect the rigging. We had a couple straps last week at Elk that we noticed some red thread showing, and we took them out of service, so make sure you guys inspect the rigging, inspect the cables and all. I want to make sure the signal person are in direct contact with Cloyd. We got a lot of traffic going on up and down through Mechanicsburg today. Probably hear some horns beeping, stuff like that. Just try to stay focused on the task and ignore everything behind you. Remember, everything's 6 feet and above. We need to be tied off. We got to make sure we're tied off in the baskets and everything. We'll, once we get done here, we'll get the equipment warmed up and all. Truck should be rolling in here soon. When we're climbing up on top of the trucks, let's try to stay to the center of the load. I don't want guys hanging off the side of the load and all. Let's stay center, and if we do have a ladder to get up, I'd rather us use a ladder instead of jumping up and down, especially with a lot of the mud that's out here. It's going to be stuck on your boots. I don't want anybody slipping and falling.
Every Rose Metal Systems employee is required to complete a 10-hour OSHA training course, aerial lift operator training, and telehandler or forklift operator training, resulting in certification. We feel very strongly about our responsibility to provide a safe working environment for our employees, subcontractors, vendors, and the community. We believe our greatest asset is our employees, and we want them to leave work in the same condition as they arrived.
So he's got one.
Communication on the job site is priority number one. With equipment running and many tasks happening all at once, things can get very confusing quickly. Hand signal communication is very important between team members, and especially important between the team and our certified crane operators. This benefits worker productivity as well as safety. And all of our hand signalers are certified as well, resulting in a totally expert workforce on your project.
Hi, I'm Rob Policastro, the Safety and Employee Development Manager with Rose Metal Systems. Today we're in downtown Mechanicsburg with Lucas Auto Body Shop, and we're erecting a steel building here behind me. At Rose Metal Systems, we try to provide a mindset for all of our employees, customers, and of course the community of a safe job. Our goal here is 0 accidents, 0 incidents, target 0. Today you're going to be seeing a building going up in approximately 1 day, and most importantly we want to do it safe. So the minimum procedures here at Rose Metal Systems are hard hats, safety glasses, and work shoes, and we also tie off above 6 feet above the working surface. Today you'll see many of those things going into effect. We start off the morning with a little toolbox talk, and then we inspect our rigging, talk to our signalman and our crane operator before we begin any project.
We deliver a methodical and synchronized approach to erection. This results in greater production, better efficiency, and a higher quality end product. Our team is able to organize and execute its tasks in tight or restricted workspaces. Years of experience also enables us to react to changing site conditions, change orders, and other challenges that occur during a construction project. The majority of our work involves utilizing aerial lifts. This vital piece of equipment commands a lot of respect, and priority number 2 is wearing a fall protection harness that is properly tied off to the lift at all times. Rose Metal prides itself on our expert metal roofing services. Whether it's a new build roof as depicted here or a re-roofing project, our mission is to achieve a perfect seal each and every time. Safety on the roof at all times is priority number 3. To ensure this, we establish a perimeter 6 feet from the edge of the roof. Inside the perimeter, fall protection harnesses are once again used, and all employees are tied off to a retractable device that is securely attached to a finished roof section. Roofing work outside our safe zone is accomplished using an aerial lift. Properly and effectively insulating a building during the siding process is also a very important component to the success of the project. Rose Metal takes great care in executing this work, which in turn enhances the owner's bottom line. And finally, Rose Metal Systems priority number 4. Always go above and beyond on each and every project, ensuring the customer is 100% satisfied and completely delighted with their new metal building system. Our ultimate goal is for you to experience many, many years of reliable service. Rose Metal Buildings. Connect with us.